Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Trust Wallet. First, you will need to download the official Trust Wallet application from your mobile device's app store. It is crucial to verify you are downloading the legitimate app to protect your assets. Once installed, open the application and tap on the Create a New Wallet option. This simple first step sets the foundation for securing your digital currencies. The next critical step is securing your recovery phrase, also known as your seed phrase. This 12-word sequence is the sole key to your wallet and all its contents. Carefully write down each word in the precise order presented on a piece of paper. Store this physical copy in a highly secure private location, completely offline. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so never share it. After writing down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it. You will need to select the words in the exact sequence you recorded. This confirmation ensures you have accurately noted your phrase, which is vital for future recovery. Once confirmed, you can set up a 6-digit passcode or enable biometric authentication for quick, secure daily access. Your Trust Wallet is now successfully created and ready to use. With your Trust Wallet set up, you can now begin managing your digital assets. The main interface displays your cryptocurrency balances and allows easy navigation. To receive funds, tap Receive to find your unique wallet address. To send funds, select Send. Enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always perform a meticulous double-check of all transaction details, especially the recipient address, before finalizing any transfer to ensure security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.